clear. I'm watching it.
20.
Oh.
Nice smooth takeoff.
Just under the sun.
Flat of flight, nice.
50%.
Into the sun.
Time remaining.
A
2
tail
minutes.
slide and stalled it out too low.
Oh, yeah.
Said, look, Fred, it even tail slides into the ground.
50%.
Hey, hold my beer, watch this.
Yeah, basically that's what it was.
50%.
Landing right to left.
Oh, you got your brakes set on that motor.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Had to adjust that one. The wind kind of got me at the end. Well, this one, you have to shut it clear off or it ain't coming down.
Oh, look at that.
It's a floater.
It's oscillating. Whoa. See that?
Leveling.
Ooh, there's that.
50%.
All right, but it started to
50%.
do weird stuff. I think the wind was messing with it coming in.
It is possible.
But
You got some pretty
this
good
one,
pictures
if you can just turn it off, it won't come in.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Of course,
Well, I had the power shut off way back there.
I seen the prop force stop.
Yeah.
Which means you got your brakes set on the ESC, but
And then I crimped it down on there, and I had glue on it, and then crimped it.
25%.
Put these little rubber
0. 25%. 0.
Yeah, I used to go.
That's nice.
Braking. 25%. 0.
That's a cool little plane.
yeah, it is.
And it goes reverse too.
25%.
Yeah, if I do my part, it's pretty good.
20. 0. 25. 0. 0. 25%. 0. 50%. Gear up.
And I did it again.
That's fun.
50%.
Yep. Not much.
%. 50%.
That's a fun little plane to fly. Huh?
50%.
It was a fun plane to fly before too.
What happened to the last one?
Crashed it, stalled it out,
Time remaining 2 minutes.
and then I crashed it after the 4th or 5th time. I was like, that's it, retired.
Man. Okay.
I got a little cocky there.
I saw that.
50%. 25%.
There you go. Now you can come off.
0. 25%. Type 0. Braking. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. Speed brake closed. 25%. 0. 25%. 50%. Gear up. 55%. Time remaining 3 minutes 47, 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. 50%. Percent. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%.
Go ahead and go up.
0. Time remaining 1 minute.
Well, she wants to float.
Time remaining 30 seconds. Time remaining low.
Down, baby, down.
25%.
Almost dropped the wing. Whoa.
Waving on. Take that passengers, the seatbelt is in. Yeah, he doesn't. Runway down there very good. Keep my orientation.
Throttle 50%. Gear up. 50%.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. Gear down.
1 minute.
Oh, okay. That is a cool plane.
All right.
50%. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
There's a couple of times that I backed up and got pictures of Yatu flying, so you don't have to zoom them.
Do it.
But I think it'd be a good picture though.
It is.
50%. 50%.
Dropping behind you, Fred. That was awesome.
Percent.
Yeah, we got out of position on that one.
That's all right. We're down to 1 minute.
No, we're not, are we?
Time remaining 41 seconds.
Uh-oh, landing.
Gear down.
Thank you.
20 seconds. 0.
That should be a nice shot. You should have got that one, babe.
Got one.
With the low. Whoa. Now that was good, Fred.
Yeah.
Percent. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%.
Okay, I gotta land. Damn it.
Gear down. 25%. 0. 0. 20. Timer at spot 0. 25%. 0. 20. 0. 25%. 0. 50%. Gear down. Gear up. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Whoa.
Put my roll, I was upside down and low.
%. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. %. 50%. 0. 25%. 50%.
Yeah, I know. think we're doing just fine.
25%. 50%. Gear down. Remaining 8. Time remaining. 50%. Time remaining.